The announcement of the winners and awarding of the exchange members took place on November the 8th. Today we will talk to one of the exchange members, namely PT MNC Sekuritas, which was honored as the most active structured product securities company in the category of exchange members with the most educational activities. Please welcome MNC Sekuritas Business Head Banyu Adiputra. Mas Banyu, thank you very much for your time for us today. And I would like to know, what are your impressions about the Investor Reward Program 2024, which was held to increase structured product transactions in Indonesia?
Yeah, thank you, Mbak Alin, for having me. Pretty exciting, actually. As a market player, we, MNC Sekuritas, highly appreciate IDX to initiate this program. Not only because they have launched other related initiatives prior to the event, but also because this boosts the awareness and interest in both ETFs and structured warrants, especially in retail investors. Usually, these structured products vibes can only be felt by the product issuers or the participant dealers, while the brokers like us really get involved and, could I say, enthusiasts. So, yeah, we do hope this could be a regular program in order to maintain this hype, so the ETFs and structured warrants would be more well-known in our retail customers.
Okay, what efforts have been made that led MNC Sekuritas to win the award?
Yeah, as a retail-based securities house, we believe the education plays important role in increasing the financial literacy and inclusion. We invited all parties involved, in this case, IDX as the regulator and our securities house partner act as a participant dealer to help webinars and IG lives discussing about their products from the scratch. For example, what is structured warrants, what are the benefits, the risk, how to buy and sell, the product specification and the list, etc., to our sales team and potential customers. We do also created lots of social media contents, mostly in short videos, explaining structured warrants in the easiest way. For the longer and more detailed version, you may see our YouTube channels consists of video podcasts, interviewing regulators, the players, and even the investors themselves. Those all activities are implemented regularly, even with more intensity when our partner is in the middle of publishing their new product series.
So many programs have been implemented through your social media also. And what are next for you to introduce structured products as ETFs and structured warrants in MNC Sekuritas in the future?
Yeah, we have both special and regular programs for our educational initiatives. For the regular program, beside all of those regular webinars and IG Live, we also have our own bootcamp called MNC Masterclass for our sales team. It consists of several sessions, and one of the session or the topic is financial product knowledge. And we focus on alternative instruments such as mutual funds, bonds, and of course, ETFs and structured warrants. Each participant should fulfill both pre-test and post-test to ensure the effectivity of the session. For the special program, we also collaborate with our partners to give incentives to both our sales and team and the investors, based on the product transaction. We believe the combination of all of those initiatives could boost the awareness and interest in IDX structured products.
Yes, interesting initiatives. What are the challenges, in your opinion, in introducing these structured products to investors in Indonesia, and how do you address the issues?
Yeah, it's an interesting question, Balin. We prefer see it as challenges, of course, quite a lot. And it's actually normal if you compare it to other countries such as Singapore, Korea, Japan, even US on their early periods. Yeah, usually people compare the benefits of the alternative instruments to the benefits of stocks, which they already familiar with. And in most cases, it's always about the potential return based on the historical one. They will compare it with stocks and even with higher risk products available in the market quite a lot recently. They will also concern regarding on how liquid the product and the market is. It's like chicken and egg. The regulators and the market makers plays important roles to cope with it, but surely we as a broker want to contribute to develop the market. In education context, we always begin with the investor's pain points. For instance, if you are a beginner stock trader or investor and find it difficult to choose the best ones with your limited capital, just try, for example, IDX30 or LQ45 ETFs. If you are experienced stock trader and find it difficult to gain multi-bagger with your limited capital, just try structured warrants. And just like us, seeing is believing. So if you show some interesting facts such as the trading data, historical returns, the testimony of the customers, it will help them to decide. We ensure all of these messages are delivered by our sales team. And actually, we also ask them to try the products themselves so they know exactly what it feels look like. Of course, it takes time to cope with those challenges, but we believe as long as the parties committed to develop the market, these products will be huge.
So market participants need to be educated and experience this themselves. What are strategies your company do to expand the market in the future?
Yeah, currently we see beginner investors as our target markets for ETFs and pro traders for structured warrants. In the meantime, we will see their behaviors to get the more specific products for specific customers, since we have quite a lot of products and services to offer beside those two. Uh, we will also see if there is possibilities to collaborate with related partners in the near future to promote it to our retail customers.
So during this talk show, we discuss a lot about ETFs and structured warrants, but actually what other products or services that can be enjoyed by market participants and available at MNC Sekuritas?
Yeah, we have our own mobile trading app called Motion Trade. You can find it on App Store and Google Play Store. This one stop investing app, since we have very and broad investment products, not only stocks, but also mutual funds, bonds, sukuk, and of course, ETF and structured warrants. For stock trading, we provide complete trading tools like TradingView, Super Order, Market Orders, EIPO, Power Buy Sell, Stock Heat Map, even with voice commands such as Siri and Alexa. It's called Nancy. We do also facilitate bonds transaction in Motion Trade, so you can have your own bonds both in primary and online secondary market. In the next few days, we will offer one of our most popular bonds as well with interesting coupon as usual, so stay tuned. For mutual funds products, we have more than 30 investment manager partners providing more than 150 products. That's why we used to call it a fund supermarket to help our customers. Of course, we have features like top funds, which show the most profitable mutual funds based on their historical returns. We do also have regular promotion campaigns with our partners, as you can see on the screen. And recently, we launched our new feature called Auto Invest to boost our customers' cash balance to almost 5 to 6 times via money market funds without sacrificing their trading limit, so they can still do the stock trading while activate the feature. And lastly, also, we provide Sharia products and services besides stocks, mutual funds, sukuk, and ETFs. One of them is called a philanthropy. So you can donate both your own stocks and cash in the form of zakat, infak, and wakaf. And it starts only 1,000 rupiahs and one share if you want to donate it with stocks.
Well, plenty of options to grow your wealth as well as to achieve your financial goals. So next, what are your expectations for the Indonesian capital market after winning this award?
In the last 10 years, technology made us easier to learn about all sophisticated things in simplest ways. I do believe this is the era when being a smart billionaire is way more achievable than previous decades. A lot of initiatives are implemented and a lot of investment products are available. Now it's time for us to try, learn, and earn. Products like mutual funds and ETFs should be accessible to newbies. And I personally would like to see teenagers, alpha generation, and even senior citizens in remote areas to have their own stocks, ETFs, and even structured warrants in the next 5 to 10 years from now. With the help from Motion Trade and MNC Sekuritas for sure.
Yes, more and more Indonesian can enjoy the benefit of investing in the capital market. Thank you very much, MNC Sekuritas Business Head, Mas Banyu Adiputra.
You're very welcome, Mbak Alin. Thank you so much.
Yes, so that was our conversation for today's Business Talk. You can stay connected with us on Instagram, X, as well as on YouTube. Our handle is at CToday News. We're also available online at ctodaynews.com. We'll be back.